How to create a Facebook page on desktop. Welcome to another Trend Tech Guide tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Facebook page using a desktop browser on a PC, laptop, Chromebook or MacBook. Basically any device where you use Facebook in a web browser. If this video helps you, please subscribe to Trend Tech Guide and give this video a like because it really supports the channel. Let's get started. To create a Facebook page, first open your browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on Facebook, go to the top right corner and click the menu icon which looks like a grid of dots. From the menu, find and select Page under the Create section. Now you'll be taken to the Create a Page screen. The first step is to enter a name for your page. This can be your business name, brand name, or any name you want people to easily recognize. Next, choose a category for your page from the list provided. After that, you can write a short bio describing what your page is about. This step is optional and can be completed later. Once you've filled in these details, click Create Page. Your Facebook page is now created and you'll be asked to add more information. This can include contact details, location, or business hours. All of this information will be public, but you can skip these steps if you don't want to add them right now. Click Next to continue. Next, upload a profile picture and a cover photo for your page. The profile picture is the smaller image, usually your logo or brand image, and the cover photo is the larger banner at the top of your page. You can also add an action button such as Visit Website, Shop Now, or Contact Us. When you're done, click Next. If you have a WhatsApp number, Facebook will give you the option to connect it to your page. You can skip this step if you prefer. After that, you can invite your Facebook friends to like your page. Then you'll be able to choose your notification settings. You can turn off marketing and promotional emails if you want, but keep notifications on so you know when people interact with your page. Once you're finished, click Done. You'll now see a message saying you've switched to your new Facebook page. Facebook treats your page like its own profile, so when you reply to comments or messages, they will come from your page instead of your personal account. Now you're on your Facebook page, and you can start posting content, photos and videos, and editing your page anytime you want. And that's how you create a Facebook page on desktop. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll try to help you out. For more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Trend Tech Guide for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.